Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden, and in this video that I'm going to be showing you today isn't really a tutorial as much as it's a show and tell of all the things that I created with the BB Craft products that I had received. If you haven't seen the video where I do the unboxing and review of all my BB Crafts products that I'd received, I would suggest that once you're done watching this video, you watch that as well as the other few jewelry tutorials I have showing you how I made all these, including these rings on my fingers. Not this one, but this, and all these. Okay, so I'm going to show you this just a recap of some of the products BB Craft that I showed you on that unboxing and review and what I created with them. So if you haven't seen the unboxing or review, I suggest you go look at that now once you're done with this or before this, and then come back to this video and watch my other jewelry tutorials that I have showing you how I made all these items that you're seeing right now with the 5 products that I chose from BB Crafts. Now, as always, all the links for these products will be below this video as well, and all those other videos from BB Crafts. You'll know which ones they are because they have BB Crafts in the title of the video, and again, all the links for the products will be below in the description box, as well as the link for BB Craft shop and a link for the discount code. That's right, you'll have a discount code so you too can order these, and there's a YouTube affiliate program, and that information will also be below in the description box along with the links, as well as on the BB Craft online shop. You can also see they have a tab that says YouTube affiliate. You just click it and go and read the information there as well as below, like I said. So here it is. This is what I created. One of the items that I picked out from BB Craft with these rings. You get 6 rings, you get 3 oval and 3 round, and the gemstones, and you get faux gemstones to go with it. And what I like is that with the 3 oval, you get 3 different oval faux gemstones, and they can fit in any one of the ovals. So you don't have to pick what I picked, but I show you a jewelry tutorial, how I did it and what I did and how I chose it. And the same with the round ones. They'll fit in any round one. I just chose which ones I liked. And look at them, and look at this. This is tiger eye, and it's not real, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then you have the fake turquoise. I don't even know if you're seeing that, but it's a faux turquoise. It has the veining. And then you have the lapis lazuli or lazuli. And then look, a faux moonstone and the faux jade, and all of them. You wouldn't know they're faux. They actually look like real gemstones, and they're very pretty. And I love these rings, and they're adjustable. And I do mention they are adjustable. Some of them go up to 8 to 8.5, and some 9 to 9.5. They don't open up until at 10 unless like you really open it. But you know, the 9.5 to 9 is from end to end. You could probably get a 10 if you open it more, but you don't want to overdo it. But they are adjustable, and they're very nice, and they're easy, and they're fun, and they come in a kit. And the other things I got were these little pendants. They come in multicolor ones, and if you want to see the other colors, then I suggest you watch my unboxing and review video where you can see all the different ones that I got and what it came in and how many there is. You get so much for such a low price. Okay, so then I get my earrings that I made with them, and they have a 2-side. One's like a blue dot and the other side's a red dot, so you can choose with the earrings or with the pendant. I just wanted to show you that. Plus the chain, I got like a nice purple chain, a ruby red, I got a light like azure blue, and I got a light pink and a yellow topaz. All those chains come together. You get all those chains together in a set, so that's really nice. You don't have to buy them individually. They come in a pack, different colors. And I made a nice necklace, and I used these pendants and made an earring and a pendant, so that it all matches, and you can choose again any side. And then I made this earring because I had gotten these earrings They come 10 in a pack, and there's 5 pieces. You don't have to make them all earrings. You can make one for a pendant. And then I got these little tiny bells. They're very cute. Let me pick them up so you can see. And they actually are bells, and they jingle. Okay. And I got them, and I hooked them to here, and then I used one of the chains that I got from BB Craft, and I just hooked it. And I have a tutorial on here. I have a tutorial on these earrings as well as these rings and these earrings and this necklace. So go check those all out, as well as the unboxing and review. And that's what, just some of the ideas. This is just some of the ideas that you can create with the products from BB Craft that I showed you. So you don't want to miss watching any of those tutorials, as well as the unboxing and review. And you don't want to forget to look below this video in the description box for all the links, especially the discount code. And like I said, if you make jewelry and you have a YouTube channel and you like making videos, you can sign up for the YouTube affiliate program with BB Craft. And that information will be below in the description box, as well as on BB Craft's online shop. So I don't want you to forget all of that. And that discount code waiting for you. So if you like all these products and you like what you see in my videos from BB Craft, go ahead, check out the shop, take that discount code and order yourself some stuff and get crafting. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Anybody that might be interested in seeing these products and my jewelry tutorials, please share this video. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed my tutorials, please like this video, and if you have any questions or just want to say hello, please leave a comment. Also, please like this video. It helps me. I'm not monetized, but I do enjoy when people like my videos. And thanks for watching. Remember to be subscribed and click that notification bell so you're notified when I upload future jewelry tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Get crafting!